Alright guys, close your computers and take a look up at the screen. I'm going to show y'all just a part of one groups from a couple years ago. This is people from our current senior class, a couple of them. They did this, and this is probably 3 years ago they did this. So they just have a cover slide that has their names on it. It might be nice to, instead of math textbook, mention systems in there somewhere. Okay. So they start off with a question. This is one of the questions from the document. Okay. Then they're going over the 4-step process. That is the process over there in red that we discussed yesterday. Step 1, define the variables. You can see defining the variables. They show the problem. They talk about defining the variables. Step 2, making an equation. They show making the equation. Step 3, solve by substitution. Remember, there's 4 different methods that we're going to use. So step 3, you're going to have to say which particular method it is. Okay. And then they have a little review slide. I thought this was kind of nice. You don't have to have it. That's 1/4 of the project. So here comes, and this is the person said who did this one. Okay. Then they got a question 2. This second part, they're getting into the steps for using elimination, but they probably should have said that in here somewhere. And they also needed to say they needed to define the variable, so perhaps they lost a little bit of credit here. Then they're saying add the equations, solve for a variable. They don't really show it. They certainly should have. This is a good one to show because there's some stuff that they need to get fixed here. They should have shown the work. If you're having trouble getting it into the computer, it's perfectly okay to do it on paper and take a picture and put it in there. Yeah, they have all the steps listed, and this is a really nice review slide. It talks. This is basically directly off the notes, okay? But they didn't actually show it anywhere, so that they probably lost some points there. Okay. Question 3. There's the question. Here they're going through the steps. Step 1, define the variables. They're showing it. Step 2, write 2 equations using the provided information. They showed writing the equations. Step 3, solve for one of the variables. So this is the substitution method. They misspelled substitute there. It would have been nice to have said, you really want to there's 4 methods we're showing. You want to let them know what the methods are, okay? So this one is improvement, but they still could have done a couple of things. They misspelled substitute again. Maybe they think that's how they're showing checking. That's nice there. Oaks did that. That's good. This last one, start with a question. Define the variables. That's good. Make your system. That's good. This is the members, non-members problem that we did yesterday, right? Now they're showing the calculator step, and this was a different calculator method than you guys have. So for y'all, this would be the matrix method. You'll describe how to do the matrix method, and then they have a little. I like the little review slide. I didn't say you had to do that, but I thought that was nice what they did here. Okay, yeah, Kobe did that. All right, I'll post that.